Hi, I'm Joni Hilton, your YouTube mom. Hey, the holidays are coming. One of my favorite things in the world. And what if you're invited to a bunch of Christmas parties? I have a way for you to wear a different, beautiful sweater every time. And it's for pennies. Wait till you see how easy this is. Okay, first I want to show you this. What you need is a sweater with kind of a loose weave to it. And you can see, I mean, here, I can almost put my finger through the holes. This is a loosely woven sweater. And so what I did is I took a safety pin and some red ribbon and I wove it through, and then I tied it in a knot, did it again, tied it in a knot, tied it in a knot, and then I snipped it. You could go all the way around the neck. You could alternate red and green or use a print ribbon, but it's just a fun way to jazz up a sweater and make it look like it's the holidays. Now, here I wanted to use an even more elegant effect, so I'm using gold shimmery ribbon. And all I did, this already has like a lacy trim, so I simply went around and with a safety pin through the end of the ribbon, that's my threader, and I just pull ribbon through. It takes no time at all. And then you have a beautiful little accent. And you know what? If you used thick ribbon, it would look really cool too, because you'd have it thick and then it would go little, and you'd have a little scrunchy, lush look to it. These are the things you need, and you've got them. It's Christmas ribbon that you're already going to wrap presents with. I have silver, green, red that's skinny, red that's medium. You can use beads, gold bead, anything. These are Mardi Gras beads. And then I thought, okay, what else has a loose weave? Throws. So how fun to take a regular solid color throw and weave tinsel through it. With this one, I just used my finger because it's such big holes and I didn't even need the safety pin. But think of all the trim and decorations you have this time of year. How could you weave those into your clothes and jazz them up a little for a party? So really a fun and easy and cheap and fast idea for you. I'm Joni Hilton. I have hundreds of these videos on my channel. And please be sure to subscribe and tell your friends to subscribe. See you next time.